Hello everyone. Today we're doing a knock test for your own lawnmower. Now, the easy way to tell if your lawnmower's knocking is pull the plug and if it's still running. Easy. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright, now I'm gonna first tie your little throttle handle down to the on position, and allow me to do that really quickly. I'll put the camera down. Alright, now, this is what it should look like. We're all down now, we start it. Now, we pull the plug! It's not knocking, but I did get shocked. I did get shocked, so this lawnmower is not knocking. Goodbye. Warning, this will give you a little shock to the fingers, so if I were you, wear rubber gloves, please. Alright, good. My finger's not good, so... Alright, bye!